A new era of AI is upon us. Introducing DeepSeek. DeepSeek AI is a new type of artificial intelligence, and it's causing quite a bit of excitement in the technology world. You see, DeepSeek is designed to be very good at understanding and using language, which makes it different from older AI systems. Now, DeepSeek is still being developed, but early results show that it is very powerful. It can do many things that were once thought impossible for machines. This includes tasks like writing poetry and translating languages with amazing accuracy. DeepSeek's abilities are impressing many experts. Some believe it could change how we interact with computers. It might even change how we understand intelligence itself. The future of DeepSeek is full of possibilities. It will be exciting to see what it can do as it continues to learn and grow. So, what makes DeepSeek special? One thing is its ability to learn in a very deep way. This means it can find patterns and connections that other AI systems miss. Another unique thing about DeepSeek is its flexibility. It can be used for many different tasks, including understanding text, writing different kinds of creative content, and even generating computer code. DeepSeek is also designed for accuracy. Its creators put a lot of effort into making sure it gives reliable results. This is important for people who will use DeepSeek for serious work. Finally, DeepSeek is designed to be easy to use. Its creators want to make it accessible to everyone, even people without technical backgrounds. DeepSeek is often compared to other advanced language models like GPT-4 and Claude. While these models are impressive, DeepSeek pushes the boundaries of AI even further. One way DeepSeek does this is through its advanced reasoning abilities. It can understand complex ideas and relationships between different pieces of information. DeepSeek is also better at understanding context. This means it can figure out the meaning of words and sentences based on the situation. This is essential for tasks like translation and writing natural-sounding text. Another area where DeepSeek excels is in its ability to learn continuously. As it is exposed to more data, it gets better over time. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks that require constant adaptation. At its core, DeepSeek is a language model. This means it is designed to understand and process human language. It does this using a technique called deep learning. Deep learning involves training artificial neural networks on massive amounts of text data. These networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain. Through this training process, DeepSeek learns the statistical relationships between words, phrases, and sentences. This allows it to generate human-quality text, translate languages, and answer your questions in an informative way. DeepSeek's ability to learn and adapt is what makes it so powerful. As it is exposed to more data, it becomes better at understanding the nuances of language. Section 5, Forged in Data Training DeepSeek. DeepSeek's impressive abilities are a result of its rigorous training process. It is trained on a massive dataset of text and code. This dataset is carefully selected and curated to ensure quality and diversity. The training process involves feeding DeepSeek this data and adjusting its parameters to minimize errors. This is done using powerful algorithms and massive amounts of computing power. The goal is to teach DeepSeek the patterns and structures of human language. This allows it to generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. The training process is ongoing, and DeepSeek is constantly learning and improving. This ensures that it stays at the forefront of language AI. Section 6. A creative spark DeepSeek in content creation. DeepSeek is not just a tool for understanding language, it can also create it. Its ability to generate human-quality text makes it a powerful tool for content creators. DeepSeek can write different kinds of creative content, like poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, emails, letters, and so on. It can also answer your questions in an informative way, even if they are open-ended, challenging, or strange. This ability to generate creative text is a testament to DeepSeek's sophisticated understanding of language. It can mimic different writing styles and produce text that is both engaging and informative. However, it is important to remember that DeepSeek is a tool. It is up to human creators to use it responsibly and ethically. Section 7. DeepSeek in Action Transforming Businesses. DeepSeek's ability to understand and process information offers a wealth of opportunities for businesses. It can automate tasks, improve decision-making, and enhance customer experiences. For example, DeepSeek can be used to analyze customer feedback and identify areas for improvement. It can also personalize marketing messages, create targeted content, and provide 24/7 customer support. By automating these tasks, businesses can free up employees to focus on more strategic work. DeepSeek can also help businesses to improve their efficiency and productivity. In short, DeepSeek has the potential to revolutionize the way businesses operate. By embracing this technology, businesses can gain a significant competitive advantage. Section 8. Real-world impact. DeepSeek across industries. The potential applications of DeepSeek span across numerous industries. In finance, it can analyze market trends, assess risk, and detect fraud. In healthcare, DeepSeek can assist in diagnosing diseases, developing new treatments, and providing personalized patient care. In education, DeepSeek can personalize learning experiences, provide students with feedback, and automate administrative tasks. These are just a few examples of how DeepSeek is being used to solve real-world problems. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications emerge. Section 9. The road ahead, DeepSeek's future. DeepSeek is a powerful new tool with the potential to revolutionize AI. It is still under development, but it has already shown remarkable capabilities. As DeepSeek continues to learn and evolve, it will become even more powerful and versatile. It will be able to tackle increasingly complex tasks and solve some of the world's most challenging problems. However, with great power comes great responsibility. It is important to use DeepSeek ethically and responsibly, ensuring that it benefits humanity as a whole. The future of DeepSeek is bright, and it will be exciting to see what it accomplishes in the years to come.